Here we have the exercise practice set 7.1. First two questions are solved in this page. First question is the volume of a cone. We have to find out if the radius of its base, means radius, the value of r is given 1.5 and the perpendicular height, means h, is given 5. So what we need is, we need the formula first. What is the formula for volume of cone? So it is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Now only we have to do is, we have to substitute all the values. 1 upon 3 as it is, the value of pi is not given, so it will be 22 upon 7. R is given 1.5. Since square is there, we will write 1.5, 1.5, and the value of h is 5. So now only we have to calculate these. So after calculation we will get the answer. So on calculating, what we will get, 82.5 upon 7, and this is equal to 11.78. And always keep the habit, while writing the final answer we will write up to 2 digits of the decimal. So it is 11.79. Whenever the third digit will be after decimal, the third digit is 5 or greater than 5, we will just add 1 in the previous digit. So 11.78 will become 79. Therefore volume of the cone is 11.79 centimeter cube. And students, please keep it in your mind that writing unit is very important. Now let's see the question number second. Here we have to find out the volume of the sphere of diameter 6 centimeter. Volume of sphere of diameter 6. So since the diameter is given, so we will get the value of radius first, 6, diameter, then radius will be 3. We will use the formula 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Only just substitute the values as we have done. 4 as it is, pi 3.14, and r is 3 into 3. So on calculation we will get the value of volume of the sphere. It is 113.04 centimeter cube. Now next one, question number 5. Third and fourth you will do at home. Question 5. Read the question. The dimension of a cuboid are 44 centimeter, 21 centimeter, and 12 centimeter. When it is melted and a cone of height 24 centimeter is made, we have to find the radius of its base. So see here, what is the question? First try to understand. A cuboid is there and a cone is made by melting the cuboid. So जब भी किसी भी चीज़ को ऐसे मेल्ट करके या उसको कन्वर्ट करके दूसरा चीज़ बनाते हैं, मेल्ट करके उसके, देन द क्वेश्चन इज रिलेटेड टू द वॉल्यूम. एंड दोनों चीज़, जो पहले था ऑब्जेक्ट और जो बाद में जो ऑब्जेक्ट बना, बोथ विल हैव सेम वॉल्यूम. सो हियर ऑल्सो फर्स्ट वी विल राइट ऑल द वैल्यूज विच एवर इज गिवन. So dimension of cuboid means what? The value of length, breadth and height. पहले वाला जो होगा वो length होगा, second will be breadth and third will be height. After that, the cone is formed by using the cuboid. So height of the cone is given 24. We have to find the radius of the cone. So just now we have discussed, since cuboid is melted and cone is made, therefore volume, both the volumes will be equal. So volume of cuboid means L into B into H. Volume of cone means 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Their volumes will be equal. Now we will substitute the values and we will calculate. So the value of length is 44, breadth is 21 and height is 12. And similarly here also we have substituted the values and we have to find the value of r square. सो आर स्क्वायर विल कम, आर स्क्वायर को यहीं रखो, बाकी सब नंबर्स को वहाँ भेज दो. सो 24 वहाँ जाएगा तो डिनोमिनेटर में आ जाएगा, 3 और 7 वहाँ जाएंगे तो न्यूमरेटर में आ जाएंगे, 22 वहाँ जाएगा तो नीचे आ जाएगा. ओके, so r square is equal to, on calculation we will get 21 into 21. So when we will take square root, we will get the value of radius as r is equal to 21. Here in question number 6, first observe the question and then we will see the diagram. What is the question? Observe the measure of pots in the figure A and figure B. How many jugs of water can the cylindrical pot hold? Means we have to calculate when we will pour the water from conical jug to the cylindrical pot, how many times it will take to full the cylindrical pot. So here what we will do is we will consider small r and small h as radius and height of conical water jug, and then r1 and h1 as radius and height of cylindrical pot. So after considering it, see हम लोग एक्चुअली दोनों में वाटर भर रहे हैं, इससे उसमें भर रहे हैं. इट मीन्स एक्चुअली वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द कैपेसिटी ऑफ कोन एंड कोनिकल water jug and this cylindrical pot. So it is related to the volume question. So how number of jugs the water that cylindrical pot can hold will be the volume of cylindrical water pot upon volume of conical water jug. मतलब बड़े वाले शेप को छोटे वाले से डिवाइड करेंगे तो पता चलेगा कि कितने नंबर्स होंगे. So then we will apply the formula. Since the volume of cylinder is pi r square h, but here r1 and h1 we have taken, so we will write pi r1 square h1, and the volume of cylindrical pot for volume of cone is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Then we will substitute all the values as it is given in the figure. So we will get 7 into 7 into 10 and 1 upon 3 into 3.5 into 3.5 into 10. Now 3 जो डिनोमिनेटर में है that will go up, and this 10 and this 10 will get cancelled. Okay, after that we will get, now see 3 came up here, and in denominator now we have only 3.5 here. So 3.5 का डबल होता है 7, 3.5 का डबल होता है 7, so 3.5 2s are 3.5 2s are, and the 3 is remaining. So what we will get, 2 into 2 into 3, so is equal to 12. Therefore the cylindrical pot can hold 12 jugs of water. Okay, now see the 7th one. What we have here, a cylinder and a cone have equal bases. You can see in the figure, cone is surmounted on the cylinder. They have equal base and the height of the cylinder is 3 centimeter. It is also given, and the area of the base is given 100 centimeter square. Area of the base means your base is circular, so area of circle is given 100, and area of circle is what, pi r square. It means the value of pi r square is given 100. After that the cone is placed upon the cylinder. Volume of the solid figure is formed is 500 centimeter cube. Means their volume is given, volume of the total figure, total solid, is 500 centimeter cube. It means volume of cone plus volume of cylinder is given 500 centimeter cube. We have to find out total height of the given figure. So let's see how to calculate it. So a cylinder and a cone have equal bases. They have equal base. So it means their radii will be equal. So let us consider their radius as r, and area of base is 100. It means pi r square is 100. Now let the heights of cylinder be h1 and the cone be h2, h1 and h2. So the value of h1 means for cylinder the height is given 3. So h1 is 3. We have to find h2. After getting h2 we will add h1 and h2, so we will get total height of the solid. So volume of the figure formed is given 500. So as I said, volume of the total solid will be equal to volume of cylindrical part plus volume of conical part. So now we will apply the formula. Volume of cylinder means pi r square h, and volume of cone means 1 upon 3 pi r square h. But h we have taken for cylinder, we have taken h1, and for cone we have taken h2, so that only we will write. Then further, now we will substitute all the values. Pi r square is directly given 100, h1 is 3, 1 upon 3 as it is, and again pi r square is 100, h2 is question mark. This we have to find out. Now on simplification, what we get? 100 into this one, and then here this will become this one. So this will be equal to 500. So on calculation, this 300 will go to right hand side, it will get subtract. So 500 minus 300 will give us 200, and then h2 will be in LHS only, and 100 and 3 will go to right hand side. So 100 will come in denominator, 3 यहाँ denominator में है तो वहाँ जाके numerator में चला जाएगा. Then 100 2s are 200, and 2 into 3 will give 6. So here we have got h2 as 6. So now what we have to do is, only we have to add both the heights. Height of the total figure is h1 plus h2, so 3 plus 6 is 9. Therefore height of the figure is 9 centimeter. And the answer in textbook is given 5 centimeter, whereas the correct answer is 9. So just check it. Now here see question number 8. Here combination of solid is given. You can see in the figure 3 solids are there. We have a hemisphere, a cylinder and a cone. Let's read the question. In the figure, a toy is made from hemisphere, a cylinder and cone as shown in the figure. We have to find out the total area of the toy. It means we have to find total surface area of the toy. So let's see the solution. A toy is made up of hemisphere, cylinder and a cone. They have equal bases. It means all these 3 shapes will have same radius r, and the value of radius is given 3. Value of r is given 3, you can see here. Now let the height of conical part and cylindrical part be h1 and h2. So for cylinder height will be 40, and for cone height will be 4. This is given here. And for cone we have to find out slant height also, because curve surface area of cone is pi r l. So there we need the value of L. So first let's calculate the slant height for cone. Now the formula is L square is equal to r square plus h square. Both the values we have 3 square, 4 square. So we will get 9 plus 16. So L square will be equal to 25. L square is 25 here. So by taking square root we will get L as 5. So the value of L is 5 now. And now what we will do, we will apply the formula for total surface area of toy will be, see, for toy it is total surface area, but actually for sphere we are using only the curve part. For cylinder also we are using only the curve part, and cone also we are using the curve part. इफ इट इज़ अ सॉलिड तो उसका जो बेस होगा, फॉर एग्जाम्पल कोन ले लो, तो उसका जो बेस है दैट वी आर नॉट एबल टू सी, वी सी ओनली द कर्व पार्ट फॉर सिलेंडर एंड फॉर हेमिस्फीयर ऑल्सो. सो though we have to find out total surface area, but here we will find out the curves, we will add all the three curve surface areas. So curve surface area of just wait. So total area of the toy will be curve surface area of the cone plus curve surface area of the cylinder plus curve surface area of the hemisphere. So the formulae are pi RL, 2 pi RH and 2 pi R square. So since we have taken H as H2, so it will be 2 pi RH2. Now see, whenever it is possible, here also we can substitute all the values, but whenever it is possible to take anything common, we will take common. So pi and R is there everywhere, so we will take pi R common. When we will calculate in this way, you will find it little easier. So now the value of pi we are writing as it is. The value of radius is given 3. See, radius is 3, L is 5 that we have calculated, H2 is 40, and again R is 3. So after substituting all the values, we will calculate on, after calculating what we are getting, C. So we get pi और 3 बाहर ही है, ये 5 अकेले है, ये 40 और ये 80 हो गया, और 2 3 सा 6 हो गया. Now pi into 3 into 91, it means 2 into 273 pi centimeter square. Therefore total area of the toy is 273 pi centimeter square. See students, one more thing I am adding here once again. जब भी आपको किसी भी सॉलिड का टोटल सरफेस एरिया निकालना है, सो व्हाट यू विल थिंक अबाउट, यू विल थिंक अबाउट द सॉलिड, कि उस सॉलिड को हम कहाँ कहाँ पर कलर कर पाएंगे. सो सिंस इन दिस केस वी हैव a toy which consists हेमिस्फीयर, सिलेंडर एंड कोन. तो जब ये पूरा जॉइंट रहेगा, नाउ इमेजिन अबाउट द टॉय. हाँ, तो हम कहाँ पर कलर कर पा रहे हैं? फॉर सिलेंडर हम लोग कहाँ पर कलर कर पा रहे हैं? ओनली द कर्व पार्ट, ओनली द सर्कुलर पार्ट, एंड द सर्कुलर पार्ट इज व्हाट? कर्व सरफेस एरिया. फॉर कोन वी आर कलरिंग ओनली द कर्व पार्ट. सो जब भी ऐसे सॉलिड्स का कॉम्बिनेशन आएगा, सो थिंक अबाउट दिस, एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम कर्व सरफेस एरिया ही हम लोग को निकालना पड़ता है और ऐड करना पड़ता है. ओके, नाउ सी हियर व्हाट इज गिवन इन 9th one. इन द फिगर cylindrical wrapper of flat tablets is shown. The radius of the tablet is 7 mm and its thickness is 5 mm. How many such tablets are wrapped in the wrapper? So here what we will do is, first see, two dimensions are given, sorry, two units are given, 14 mm and 10 centimeter. It means first we have to convert all the units into same units, like सबके सब mm में ही हो जाए या सबके सब सेंटीमीटर में हो जाए. So whatever you can do, here we have done, we have converted everything in mm. Okay. Now actually what is given, let me explain the question first. एक रैपर है जिसमें टैबलेट्स रखते हैं, एंड द डायमेंशंस ऑफ रैपर इज गिवन. रैपर मतलब पैकेट, सिलिंड्रिकल पैकेट है किसी टैबलेट का, और उसका डायमेंशन दिया है, एंड अगेन द डायमेंशन ऑफ द टैबलेट इज ऑल्सो गिवन, एंड टैबलेट इज अगेन, इट इज सिलिंड्रिकल इन शेप. So for tablet, see here, for tablet the radius is given 7 mm and the height is given 5 mm. Okay, and for wrapper diameter is 14 mm. So radius we will find out first, हाफ करके, जब भी डायमीटर होगा उसको हाफ कर दो, यू विल गेट द रेडियस. एंड हाइट इज गिवन 10 centimeter. So when we will convert centimeter into meter, so we know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm. 1 centimeter means 10 mm. So 10 centimeter means 100 mm. Now we have to find out number of tablets that can be wrapped in the wrapper. So means कितना भर सकते हैं वो पता करना है ना. It means we are talking about volume. So volume of the wrapper मतलब जो बड़ा है अपॉन द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द टैबलेट मीन्स द छोटा है, तो हम लोग को पता चलेगा कि उसमें कितने भरे जा सकते हैं. सो वी हैव फॉर्मूला पाई आर स्क्वायर एच, पाई आर स्क्वायर एच. So for wrapper we have taken R1 and H1, so we will write R1 and H1. On substituting the values, what we will get, 7 pi and pi gets cancel here only, ये दोनों के दोनों pi यहीं पर कट हो गए. ठीक है, फिर R1 का वैल्यू है 7 7 and H1 is 100, R2 का वैल्यू है 7 7 5. So when you will calculate you will get the answer as 20. So 20 tablets can be wrapped in the wrapper. This is the answer. See 11th one, we have to find out the surface area and the volume of beach ball shown in the figure. So we have a beach ball whose diameter is given 42 centimeter and we have to find its total surface area and volume. See, for whenever sphere will come, for that your total surface area and curved surface area will be same. Now let's start. Here what we have, the diameter is given 42. As we get diameter, of course their radius will be half of it, that is 21. So surface area, total surface area, earlier I said you total surface area means 4 circles. 4 circles means 4 pi r square. So 4 into 3.14 is the value of pi and radius is 21 and 21. So on calculation we will get this answer. Now again we have to find out the volume also. So volume of the sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So 4 upon 3 into pi means 3.1, r 21, 21, 21. So on calculating this we get volume as this. So your answers are this. So see here what we have in question number 12. What is given in the question? A cylindrical glass contains water with a metallic sphere of diameter 2 centimeter immersed in it. Find out the volume of the water. So a cylindrical ball is immersed in the glass of a water and we have to find volume of the water. So let's see the solution. Volume of water with metallic sphere, volume of water with metallic sphere is equal to pi r square h. So the value of pi we are not substituting, pi write it as it is. R is given 7 7 because diameter is 14, so r is 7 and your height is 30. So on calculating this we will get 1470 pi centimeter cube. This is the volume of water with sphere, huh? So volume of, now we will find volume of sphere. Volume of sphere is 4 pi r cube. So the value of radius, here the diameter is given 2 for sphere, so radius will be 1, so we will write 1 and 4 upon 3 pi. So on calculating this we will get this. To find the volume of water in cylinder, subtract the equation number 2 from equation number first. See, this is the volume with cylinder, with metallic sphere. So when we will subtract this part, we will get the volume of water. So on subtracting this, we will get the volume of water. See, so this is the answer. 1468.67 centimeter cube.